I'm asking you, do you have another scenario?
No more, kaya namo yung more sumudang nag-up.
Kinsa.
Iko, senador.
It's all God's will.
Okay.
And may always a discussion on matters about the national is always a primary consideration that we need to fix what's happening in our country. Right now, turmoil. It's a real turmoil, and if anyone here would not agree, then we will have a debate now. Agree, disagree?
Agree.
Agree, disagree?
Agree.
There's a real turmoil. And this turmoil can only be if we all are directed. No matter who is going to be the president. The most important thing, we have to pray hard. Give us a president that will bring equilibrium, harmony, and prosperity, peace, and progress. Not anymore, still, ita nga mga amtong, pero atong mga children's children. Inyong mga apo. Ano dili ta ma-first.
Mayor, you are now in good collaboration with the